Good evening, friends. My deepest condolences to all the families who have lost their important family members and their loved ones in this ghastly, dreadful, highly condemnable terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir. This is Shelly Dang from Vasai, Palghar, Maharashtra. Now it's past 7 days to this extremely sad and horrific attack. Yes, I'm extremely sad and very unhappy, but I have not lost my cool. Since 22nd April, I have been thoroughly examining many news channels giving news in respects to this ghastly attack. After going through many channels, I personally feel, and all the authentic YouTubers also, I felt that I should communicate my keen observations to our PM Modi, our investigating agencies, and many serious news channels like Republic, India TV, Times of India, News 18, India Today, Crime Tak, Shams, etc., and many more. But before I give you all my observations and analysis, I would like to tell you as to how this attack came to a reality. Please note this is completely my thought process deducted from going through past happenings, many decades. It's very sad. The moment I think about it, it's very sad, but yet I would like to bring my observations to you. And before those observations, as I said, I would like to bring you what I have deducted. I have not received any proofs in respects to what I am communicating right now, but somehow my own intelligence clearly tells me as to this must have transpired or happened, which I am going to narrate you now. It's a question to me how it comes to me. There is always a question as to how and why Pakistan is from such a long time nurturing and harboring terrorism. My only say is they are clear. They wish to have Kashmir under their control, which once if comes under them would fetch them so much money that they don't need to do anything. This dream they have been selling to the terrorists of Kashmir from many decades. Now, after the advent of Modi government, they never envisaged that they would face so many failures in their conspiracies against India and Kashmiris. From past few months, the terror outfits and shadow terror outfits have been having a very strict dialogues with the Pak general, specifically Asif Munir. Those talks were highly threatening and deadly, where they also said to him and the others, what about our partners in India to whom we have given so much of money so as they destabilize India and give us the vital information? Now, these talks from the terrorists forced Asif Munir on 16th of April 2025 to openly assure them that Pakistan will do some serious actions and take Kashmir from India away. But the terror officers were deep rage as they exhibited their concern about Waqf board decision and how India was gaining a serious economic momentum in Kashmir tourism. In spite of Asim Munir's assurances and the other Pakistani government officials, the terror outfits devised their plan and brought it into action in Pahalgam. Now I present you my observations. Number one, there are going to be more deadly attacks in coming future. We have to prepare seriously to avoid them. For that, our intelligence network has to be 100 steps ahead of the enemy in a very foolproof way. Second, India's government should seriously bring to task all the people, irrespective of their religion or political parties, who are speaking about having talks with Pakistan. You have to keep a serious watch on them. The Indian intelligence network has to seriously keep an eye on the people who are speaking in favor of Pakistan. Now, we see many high level meetings are being held in India since this Pelgam attack has taken place. I hope we don't have any Pak enemy agent amidst us in these meetings. You must check this out. At present, every Indian sentiment is that We want to take over the land of Pakistan, like Shivaji Maharaj had conquered 150 forts during the British and Mughal regime. Yes. Sixth point, time has come to destroy the impure terrorist army and agents of Pakistan in a huge, massive operation cleaning. Seventh, last but not the least, if we do not act soon, then there is bound to be internal communal riots all over the India. This is what I wanted to communicate to all the network intelligence agencies of India. I hope you take this very seriously, because I do represent some, as a citizen of this country, bona fide citizen of this country, some value or opinion in this matter, which I very keenly observed in the Pahalgam terror attack. Again, my deep condolences to the family. We are praying for them, and I pray not such attacks happen in near future. Bharat Mata ki jai, Vande Mataram.